Hi everyone, this is Aruna Arachami, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. In my lecture series today, we're going to see about the addition and subtraction of a sign member. And also we're going to see about the how we can do this thing, what are the basic things we have to know for performing the addition and subtraction. That we're going to see it now. So we will know that thing addition. Addition is the product of two, sum of two numbers is that how our architecture can perform this thing means either by using a half adder or a full adder. This is a half adder logic circuit. Here by performing a half adder, it is a 2-bit. Either two input, we can get the two output. One is a sum, another one is a carry. For this, we need one AND gate and one XOR gate. So we know that truth table for XOR gate is if the input is same, it will produce the false output. If the input is different, it will produce the true input. And also for AND gate, if both the thing is true, only true, remaining all cases, it will be a 0. So see through that, now I am passing 1, 1 over here. 1, 1, same input, my sum is 0. What could be my carry? If both the thing is present, the value will be 1. So here the value will be 1. This is the how a half adder is working. So definitely it will have a 2 input. It will produce two output. One is sum, another one is a carry. So but in our architecture, we are using a XOR gate. Full adder. Full adder is nothing but it will have a 3 input and producing 2 output. So what is this 3 input is? One thing is a carry in. So for example, if I add 1 plus 1, that is a 10. 0 is sum, 1 is a carry. That carry we're going to pass it to a input in my full adder. So for that, we're going to give a 3 inputs. One is A, another one is a B, another one is a C. C in full adder is nothing but while combining the two half adder along with one OR gate, it will produce the full adder. So this is a sum expression. This is a Cout expression. For example, I am passing all the input is 1. So here I passing 1, 1. It will produce 0. Here it will come 0. Cin is coming over here. 0, 1. Definitely sum is 1. So here sum is 1. Cout. Cout is here I'm passing Cin. This is a 1, 1. AND gate it is producing 1. If both is true is 1. So here I'm passing this thing is 0, 1. 0, 1 is it producing AND gate it will be a 0. So here it will come 1, here it will come 0, but OR gate, it is 0 and 1, it will produce 1. So Cout is 1. So this is the how a full adder logic circuit is working. So this particular full adder only we're going to use it in our architecture. This 1 bit, we're going to call this one is a 1-bit ALU, that is 1-bit arithmetic and logical unit. So by using this thing, this is a simple stage. So this full adder, it will have a C in. We are passing those things, we can get sum and the carry. So simply I am going to show you the n-bit triple carry adder. All this full adder are combined together up to how many bits are there. If it is my 32-bit, it will be started from 0 to 31. So it can be represented over here. So while going for a design of first adder, definitely we can know about the what is a ripple carry adder. Ripple carry adder is nothing but the cascading of our data. Cascading of our circuit is one by another. This is a 1-bit ALU. This is a second 1-bit. This both can be considered as a 2-bit ALU, 3-bit ALU, 4-bit ALU. Similarly, it will be going on. Well, from coming out of carry, we have to pass it over here in next 1-bit ALU. So this is the how a ripple carry adder can be working. Here it's also having a drawback over here. So this is the n-bit carry adder, cascaded each other. So this is the how it can be present inside our processor. So this is a logical circuit, n-bit adder. So we're going to control signal is first either I have to add or a subtract. So that I have to pass it to my XOR gate. After that, I had to pass it to my n-bit adder. It will produce sum and Cout. So if for addition, I can pass 0 as my control signal. For subtraction, I'm going to pass the 1 as my signal. So this is as a simple thing. We have to know about the, while performing this thing, definitely we have to know about the logic gates and what is a symbol to form the logic gates, and also we have to know about the truth table. So here I have given the simple assessment for you for calculating the expression sum and the carry out expression along with the diagram. So for example, if I say in this thing, A is input coming over here. Here the another input is a carry in is noted. Noted means here you can use dash or a this. So this is the how. In your exam question paper and all, they may ask this type of a question. They given a certain circuit, they ask you to expression what is the expression of sum and what is the expression of carry. So these are the basic introduction definitely we needed for performing an addition and subtraction operation. In next video, we're going to see what is an addition algorithm and subtraction algorithm. Thank you for watching my video.